everybody, welcome back to Samsung in a Minute, the channel that trains you on your Samsung Galaxy devices, one topic or one feature at a time. In today's video, we will take a look at dual record. Now for you, yours is probably going to be sitting right over here inside of More. This is where you can find dual record. If you want it on your bottom line right over here, all you can do is you can press and hold, and then you can just drag and drop it right into that bottom line, and then you can hit on save. Now, dual record on other devices and past devices used to be called director's view. And I believe even before that, it was called dual view. So I think it went from dual view to director's view, and now it's dual record. What the dual record means is that you can record with two different lenses at the exact same time. Now, there's a few areas of where you're able to set this up. First up, on the very top right-hand side, you have your quality. So this is full HD, 30 frames per second, and then you also have ultra HD, 30 frames per second. This icon right there, that just means that you're saving it as one video. If you tap on it and you see the two icons, they are now being saved as separate videos. Then what you can do is right over here on the bottom right-hand side, this is where you'll see the almost the exact same stuff, which is that ultra HD, the types of saving, and then this is how it is set up. Do you want it to be picture-in-picture, or do you want it to be split? Now right now this thing is just sitting on the table. Now if I was to kind of switch this up a little bit, this is where you're able to see some of these lenses. Now if I was just to kind of place something in frame, so let's say that we go to this, get this little icon to show up with the telephoto. This is now where you're able to see the lenses that you're able to use. So now it's going to look like this because I have it set up as this type of split. Let's say that I was to do picture-in-picture. Now it's going to look like this. Now, if you would like to change this up, then you're able to select which lenses are what. Meaning you can do a front, and then you can do the telephoto. Then if you tap it one more time on telephoto, now this one is the picture-in-picture, and this one is the full video. Now I have a video where I was able to record exactly what was happening that I'd be able to play. Now here's an example of what it looks like. So I had one of the lenses pointed at me and then one of the other lenses pointed at my son. We're playing some tennis. I just have it sitting right on the net. Same thing here. One going one way, one going the other way. And then also I recorded again, but this time both of them pointing in one direction. One that was wide, then the other one that was ultra wide. Now to take a look at what was really happening, I can play this video right here. And this is just me explaining everything. I was showing everything off right there. But maybe this will give you a little example of a little bit more of what you can do. So now that you can see with both lenses, you can see that I'm able to change the quality. Right here, I was able to move this around, and I can also make this go bigger or smaller. And then if I was to move forward just a little bit longer, this is where you can see all of the different lenses. You can select how you want it to be all set up. So this way I was pointing with both of them at the same direction. I have it on picture. One of them is wide, and I think the other one was ultra wide. So however you would like to have this one all set up, again, you can move this around. You can tap on this and then you're able to make it bigger, or you can also make it smaller. Put it any place that you would like to on the screen. And then this is where you're able to choose which lenses you are using. So if you want to use these two lenses, this one right now is the picture-in-picture. If I was to now tap there, now this one is the picture-on-picture. So if you just tap on either of these two that were selected, you're just selecting which one will then be the picture-in-picture. But you have to remember, if you don't want it to be picture-in-picture, which is how we have it set up right now, if you go right over here, then you switch it. Now this one is going to be split where they're both, recording, but it's going to be set up where they are side by side. So that is everything I wanted to share in today's video. Dual record is super fun to play with. If you haven't played with it lately, go back and check it out again. There's a lot of situations where this might come in handy. But if you guys appreciated this video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit subscribe on the very bottom left-hand side. And if you like this video, then more than likely you'll also like this video. And I'll see you guys later.
I got tons of soul, I'm a true collectible. Famous, so famous, #1 desirable. I do what I want, when I want, and how I want it. Leave you with the one in the air, that's how I roll. I got tons of soul.